Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question, why does your earbuds Philips too quiet? Firstly, I recommend it to clean the grill. To clean the grill you need to remove your ear tips from your earbuds. Right here we have the grill. Use a brush, or if you haven't cleaned tool, a toothbrush, and slightly clean it. Then attach your earbuds and check is it fixed. If it doesn't, maybe the problem is your earbuds just too old, or maybe you need to contact customer service. But if you have this problem with only one earbud, I have solution for you. It's not totally fixed, but it will help you. So we can change audio balance. Firstly, I will show you how to do this on the iPhone, and then I'll move to Android. But some Android phones have system what visually more similar to iOS, so maybe you need to check also this part to find a similar path to these settings. Okay, so on your iPhone, open settings. Then we need to go to accessibility. So scroll down, accessibility located under the general settings. Then scroll down again. Right here in the hearing we have audio and visual line. Tap at this line, then scroll down, and right here we have audio balance. If you have the problem with the right earbud, you just move this dot to the right, but you need to find a good balance, so you need to test it. Move it and test it. We just increase the volume for the right earbud, but lower it for the left earbud. Now, if you use 100% on your right earbud, you will totally mute sound for your left earbud. The same situation with the left one, just move this dot to the left, again you need to find a good balance, and again we just increase the volume for the left earbud, but lower it for the right. And that's it for iOS. Now let's move to Android. On your Android, open settings. Then we need to go to accessibility. I have stock Android, and on stock Android, accessibility located at the bottom in the settings. Enter into accessibility, scroll down again, and at the bottom you will find audio adjustment. Tap at this line, and right here we have audio balance. If you have the problem with the left earbud, you just move this dot to the left, but you need to find a good balance, so you need to move it and test it. We just increase the volume for the left earbud, but lower it for the right earbud. Now, if you use 100% on your left earbud, you will totally mute sound for your right earbud. If you have the problem with the right earbud, just move this dot to the right. Again, you need to find a good balance, and again, we just increase the volume for the right earbud, but lower it for the left earbud. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!